Are you guys good? I'm okay, dog. I'm okay, dog. If you haven't subscribed, dog, subscribe and feed. Don't do me like that, dog. So let me give you all a story time. I think as you all can see by the title, a story of me, dog, fumbling a baby. A story of me, dog, fumbling a baby. Dog. My dog and too little smooth. That's his handle right here. Too little smooth, dog. He put me on this baby. I told, dog, that girl was fine. Her name is. Yeah, dog, that's the baby, dog. So what happened, my dog, is that okay, umshita wami yabo uthulebona, dog. He texted me like, Dwana, there's this hand that I saw on Instagram. I'm like, okay, boy. So like ucabangana, I told. And my nigga was like, ngifuna umlande, boy. I'm like, damn, nigga. Like, kanjalo nje. My dog. Okay, like angiputhe on and angisendele like i-Instagram yakhe like lo mntana. And I was like, alright, bet, dog. I'm sending a friend request and I will give her 3 days to follow her back. It's 72 hours to follow her back. If I can follow her back, dog, I will unfriend her. That's all. And then Tule was like, alright, bet. And I was like, okay, fuck. I fuck it, dog. Can him follow with that mutana. Bang him follow it, dog. I'm follow her back. Ooh. Okay. Can you screenshot him send it to Tule and I sent it to Tule to smooth. Then after I sent it, Tule congratulated me. He was like, boy, that's fire. She followed me back. That's fire. And I was like, yeah, dog. So now what's the way forward? Because the nigga ain't never got that far. So I was like, okay, I texted her and I was like, hey. I don't remember. I think I said hey, and then like she replied, dog, gosh, in back then, like, because yeah, she had a small amount of followers, like, but my 4,000, yeah. Okay, dog, I reply, and then like we talk, lapho na lapho, yabo like nilwe nomncoma ku story mos. You all know that style mos, gents. Don't play with me, dog. Lokuthi makapostile, you be like, okay, awufuni ukurasha. So like compliment lapho na lapho, yabo. So I did that move, dog. Then I ended up wanting to take her out at all. And then what's okay, akunankinga sizokhuluma like yabo. Okay, I think mina naye saphuma ngeSunday. Fast forward, saphuma ngeSunday mina naye. Ane cause on Saturday ngiyakhumbula ngahamba ngayophuza, dog. I had a great night. That night, dog, ya Saturday, yo, ngaphuza bra, ngabula wayibhabhalaza, dog. Then like yabo into ukuthi uvuke ekseni utext umuntu just to see ukuthi bangavuma na. Cause uyazi like angeke avume. So like uyamsendela nje ukuthi asho ukuthi angeke akwazi, then you be like, okay, next time. Because I think besikhuluma ukuthi sizobona kule weekend azange ngimtext Saturday yakhona. Fast forward ke dog avume umntana. I was like, shit, dog babalazi ngenzani, crazy. Okay, fast forward ngivume ke nami ngithi okay, asi request mina because yena bekahlala ngathi samaside at all. So uwokhile da from la hlala khona to that place. Indawo yakhona it's village something. Shit, I just farted. Yeah, plus me one. So yeah, uhlale village something. Indawo yakhona village something at all. So like request mina from a north end about to that place. Then like when I got there, dog, ngiqale ngibe lost because I don't know the place at all. Ngimbone sengimbone. Plus ngibulawa nayibhabhalaza but kunzima kanjani. Ngimbone, dog. Fine shit mfana. Fine shit mfana. But fast forward. Okay, let me fix this thing. I don't know ngelighting ukuthi njani, guys. But ngiyayimosha. Damn, senginyama kakhulu hayi. Yeah, it's all. Fast forward. Avume kumntana, okay, isivayo siyongena endaweni at all. Sindodayo indawo yakhona inhle kanjani, like okay, for sure yena like uyayazi mina, like I've never been to that place at all. Then I go out, dog. Remember, it was my first time taking a girl out. Hey, I'm sorry, but I had to let it out. So I was like, okay, I think yena umuntu osekane experience at all. So that azongiputha on, so that nami in future ngafaka abanye on yabo. Okay, so see so linda yokuhlala. That place had a perfect view, dog. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, shawne papalaza ngapha, dog. I'm thinking like I'm not doing what I have to do, yabo, like ukukhuluma naye grand, yabo. Kanumntana, dog, like, you know, I think she was having a good time. Not a great time, but a good time, like a normal time, nje, yabo. Okay, so masisahleli kanjalo okay ifike le ndawo indaba yokorder sithola amalentuzana basibuza ukuthi okay yabo order type shit okay dog I'm looking at this thing dog I can't even see dog ukuthi bathini what is this nalamagama abhalwe lapha I'm like dog I don't know anything dog here but I was like I bet though exa kahle yabo exa chill dog like yamazwe khulu makathi I never did this before, no. I never did this before, no. And then I wrote back, I said, of course I had sex before, knowing I was fronting. I said, I'm like, pro, baby, knowing I was stunting. So now I'm talking, I acted like into Zamlis. I'm like, shit, I can't even see. Okay, ngifambule, angwabona mabhiyu utakuphi. This is the best fumble of my life, dog. I will never forget this time. So when I'm looking at the menu, I see bapaluti hot drinks on it. And me, don't laugh at me, dog. When I'm looking at these hot drinks, dog, abapalanga ukuthi ama coffee or something, bapayela amagama wabo no. And then, so angwaboni ama drinks like ama beer, yabo ama cocktails and stuff. Cause angazi noma le menu yabo dog yangilahla that day. But ngizophika ngebabalaza. When I was looking at the menu, dog, angithi club, hayibo. Hot drinks and then. Okay, ngibone le gama elingichazile. I don't remember what that hot drink was, but I think like because it tasted like abo espresso kanje. Okay, ngorder yona ne. Umntana a order. I forgot order. But how to choose or the drink or the cocktail? I don't know. Okay, easy eyakhe. Eyami ngimangala wayithatha isikhathi dog. What do you mean dog? Hot drink. Tell a little udeshe ulethe mfethu. I mean I thought it short awedeshiwe dog. My dear coffee.
Awukhona halishim.
Hey, dog, ungangidingi. But I have to act like yabo, ngathi like yabo vele bengifuna yona. Cause it's ever figure, I lied. I was like, yo, for sure izonginceda. You see act cool ndoda yabo my figure I'm like, oh, coffee. And I'm like, yo, for sure izonginceda ikule papalazi. Kushisani. Hey dog, that is, you see kushisa kanjani I'm like, dog, belikhipha umkhovu etsheni dog. Okay, ngithatha le coffee yami dog ngidrink ayi ngizwe ayi iyanginceda kupapalaza but ngiyashiselwa manje oh my fucking god dog ngibona ngiyashiselwa manje dog. Okay, fast forward okay sesihleli mina naye okay si-order ukudla ke manje ithola a-order macaroni angazi owenziweni like yabo lento ayi-ordile mina was like ngishaphu ngokudla ne cause like mina naye vele besiyele like into esimple ethola. No, I think I did order kudla. I don't remember what I ordered but the one. But like I should have oh, I ordered the ice cream man. Cause ngasuka ngidlile endlini. So yeah, what I did endlini ngele ngathi papa vele endlini ngathi papa. Sagcwala vele isisu sami manje ethola. Kena futhi papa leli belisele ngayizolo ngathi papa ngathi inyama 2 piece. Sagcwala isisu sami. Mangifika vele nga order vele izinto ezilight. Ezihambelana ne price yami. I'm like like angidli kakhulu. Knowing very well dog no sengidlile mina endlini sikreda so mntana a-order leyo yakhe ithatha isikhathi eside ke balethele ice cream yami. Imagine dog ngorder coffee ngorder ne ice cream food but ice cream yona bengazi ukuthi yiyo because I was like ayingashiselwa mina manje naye like wangifaka like wangiputha on kule ice cream at all. So in that way dog angiputhe on okay ayi ngishayile ice cream yami. So mangizashayile ice cream yami shem ngimsherele naye like sishaye so-2 yathola because I'm like angeke ngidle angadli yabo naye like bekayahalela unambo ehalela ngela manga. Okay naye like beka thanda vele nokushutha kakhulu at the time yabo. Then I was like it's like masixoxa bayi xoxa dog kube right. Okay sidle la ice cream yami phela ngana 5 minutes sekuyabanda like nazi weather yase Somerset isanokushintsha dog esithubeni vele kubanda. Ngisahleli kanjalo hayibo naku sengiyafreezer futhi hayibo vele ngibona ngathi kumele babhalasa nomile ukwadom kwami hey but ngingamjambiseli umntana yabo naye ayitaste naye ngathi agodole kancane yabo kufike lokudla kwakhe ngikubone ngihalele lo but ngenze ngathi hayi grand ngithi we hayi okay kungabe nankinga adle kancane yabo acele ne take away ayifike vele ibhili sesihleli vele hayi badale kusho manje hayi before ngibhadala yabo xoxe ke ya ukuthi kunjani athi uyalihamba isonto uyapheka uyakwazi ukupheka. I love this line though because ngiyaphi nomuntu ongakwazi ukupheka athi uyakwazi ukupheka. I was like ngipopile Muslim Then makunjalo banesikhathi guys okay mele sihambeni manje. So makunjalo ne athi like uyakwazi ukupheka. And I was like, alright, bet. If upheka uyakwazi then mina nawe like we are cool mos. So yeah. Since I said uyakwazi ukupheka, okay, for ngenza ukuxoxa fast. I said like uyakwazi ukupheka ne. I'm like, alright, bet. After ma few minutes nyana ifika ibill, okay, ngiyibhadale vele ibill. Okay, siphume dog, aphume take away yakhe, masiphuma ngaphandle sekuyabanda dog. And mina like ukhumbule, I just ate ice cream dog. I'm freezing dog. Okay, angisa freezer kanjalo kwenzakani? Mangibona abantu vele manje. Okay, mangisa freezer kanjalo, okay, ayisehle vele yena bekafake ne-cheese, bekungafaka cheese, bekufake like i-vest yabo. Okay, then yasihlukana sisho ukuthi like sizokhuluma, had a good day, yeah, hug nyana, ngi-request ngivayo. That's all. On besiya e-beach but sezwa lo moya, then we had to ukuthi sishintsha ama-plans ethole. Okay, sawashintsha ama-plans isaqhubeka le way, yeah, sawashintsha ama-plans semashikada kushintsha ama-plans ngivayo mangifika endlini. Okay, mina dog, I'm like mfethu, I did try my best ukuthi ngima-accommodate for sure yena bekashayi or whatsoever dog, ngima-accommodate. So mangifika endlini I was expecting yena angitext yabo, yeah, but okay, I texted first, probably bengekho kimi. I texted first yabo and I was like, okay, sengifikile yabo. She was like, okay, good. I was like, okay, it was nice seeing you dog. Nah, what's okay, it was nice seeing me. So leyo nto leyo like yang push her off mina, and I'm like, I can't feel it, but at the end of the day nam vele a win is a win. Now I have experience to puma out. I'll never do the same mistake again, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I did that thing, I'm puma off. Then makhambi isikhathi masiloko sikhuluma efonini, okay, ngathi ngigcine sengimbuza ukuthi okay like what's up ke. Ngabuya after isikhathi bra, cause at the time ngathi wathi ukuthi talking stage or unomuntu. Then ngathi ngabuya after isikhathi dog sengimbuza ukuthi okay like bra like what's up yabo. Wathini umntana dog? She was like yena wangifila that day, but she thought ukuthi mina bengingamfili after the day, because she was expecting ukuthi like mhlambe like sengizomshela maybe or something. Mina I was like hayibo, mina bengilindele yena angibonisa isign ukuthi naye ungifilile, so that vele I'll be like bro, this is my girlfriend. Okay guys, I'm sorry, gele kwa phone yami. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, like I said, bengilindele isign ukuthi like angibonisa ukuthi dog like yeah, this is my girlfriend dog, yabo uyangifila and stuff. Okay, so I tried ukuthi okay, I think ngizamele ukulungisa ke futhi nezi how I was like okay, I will pull up to you Sunday and then we will go to church. That's all. Yeah, and also remember we talked about cooking, so bengiloke ngiveza nakancane le, because dog uyaphi nomuntu ongakwazi ukupheka, especially me dog. I want someone who knows how to cook. So I was like okay, type shit. Like yeah, like I will see her yabo at church, sizwe at church uzongiphekela ngiyisikhaftini yabo, so yakuye. Okay, so I was like okay, fast forward dog, I will try it. So what happened was okay, Sunday njengoba bengishilo okay, mina like bengingenamali at the time yabo, because like bekumele ngiye kuye ngama Sunday yabo, so I had no money ukuthi ngiyele. Also like nalento yami yokuvilapha bra, mina sometimes ngisanokuvilapha mfethu nje sithubeni. So laphana ngavilapha ne ukuya, I'm not gonna lie, the first week, but I had to come ne-excuse yabo yokuthi why ngayanga. Okay, fast forward ngithini, ngimtext ukuthi ngibe busy, plus bekudlalwa nebhola at the time, besidlala ngama Saturday and Sunday. Mina ngihambe kodwa it was ama-Saturday, besidlala ngama Saturday and Sundays ayithola. So manje bengingenaso nesikhathi nemali bengenayo, so I had to ukuthi manje ngigcine ngingasakwazanga ukuya kuye yabona. I think like ugcine vele wa-end up angasangithathi serious, and I was like man, it is what it is. Okay, ngloka kabi la, then yangivayo ngobhala. So yeah, into enzakalayo kwaba kanjalo ke, azange ngiye mina esontweni. Then bengiloke ngimbona ke nasecampusini, so masibona necampusini mangiya kuye bengifila like ukuthi okay akasenayo leya way yabo, because obviously bengiloke ngimshiya hanging yabo, into ezina kanjalo. So I feel like ugcine naye wabona ukuthi hayi ngicela ama-games kahle kahle, like angikho serious, which is nami vele indlela vele engenze ngayo yabo, and angimblame, but yeah, it is what it is dog. And yeah, that is how I fumbled the baby. Anyway, if you want more stories, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe guys. And yeah, so far I'm my dog, I'm only left with 9 minutes, and yeah, it was nice talking to you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And and yeah, road to. Actually, I need you all to watch this video until the end. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for all that. And yeah, dog, Namfambula. But I feel like I don't know. Should I work things out with her again, or what? Like in Jalen, should I text her again and say, "Long as isn't, keep it good." Let me know down in the comments.